Presenting the Kia 2020 Stinger GT1. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.